Hey, Henry, let me start by saying what a great job you did on this. First, let's just look at the photos. Um, just they're so thoughtful. You really imagined how you were going to lay this essay out with graphics, right? So then here's this graphic, and then this photo, and then all of these down to the end here with this. So I think you really understood, from what I see here, you really understand what it means to make a photo essay. That when your viewer goes through the photos, they should have a sense, a feeling of the idea that you're trying to show. And, I'm looking through the way things were, right? And then here's, I love this photo too, by the way, looking out the window here. And then here's the change. You're coming to New Jersey. And it definitely feels different. There's a feeling of, especially here on the playground in front of the door, looking out the window. This has more of like an urban kind of feel to it. And then here's more of like a, suburban kind of outside a city kind of feel. And then, of course, when you get to the blue jay and the deer, you get a feeling, wow, there's a whole bunch of deer here too. You get a feeling of being, in a change of a different place. So it's just incredibly well done, really thoughtful, and just an overall really, really, really great job, Henry. I'm very, very happy to see the amount of effort that I feel on your side that you must have put into this in order to create something that really is very, very special and very much what uh, what you were asked to do, and then you brought so much of yourself to it. So great, great job, Henry. Great job.